Hi, my name is Linsen, and now I'm going to work on the question number 1 of quiz number 3. So first of all, I'm going to import the turtle, and then I will setting the turtle's the screen. And then I will setting the turtle background, the screen background color. What is light green. And then I will name the turtle is Test. I will call the turtle Test. And then I will also set the pen size is 5 and speed is 0. So I'm going to using def to begin the function header and the function name, and the function name is multi color square. And then I'm going to put in the param with our T for the turtle, Z for side of the square, and color number 1, color number 2, color number 3, and color number 4. And I'm also explaining it in the bracket. So turtle draw a square of size CSG that has the side color to color number 3 at the side color. Because it's too long, so I'm going to cut it down there. And color number 4, the turtle test pen size has previously been set to 5. And then so I'm going to call the color number 1, 2, 3, and 4 is colors, and I put in the bracket. And color 4. So to draw the square with multi-side of the square, I mean with the side of the square is multicolor. I'm going to use the for loop, so it's for I in color. So this for loop will execute for type of color for every time it goes through the turtle. Every time the turtle is go through the sequence with is forward, side, and it will turn left 90 degrees, and for this sequence it will cause the turtle draw a square with each side of it with different color every time it goes through the for loop. And then I will use the sample function, the sample run. I'm going to copy this down because it's similar to the one that I define, that I put on. So yeah, so my definition function, and I'm going to use the sample run. So the color are red in the and blue red, then green, and then blue. And the last color is magenta, and for the side of the square is 150. So I'm going to execute this function. I'm going to save it as quest number 3. So it's saying that because I forgot to, because T is not defined as I call the turtle test. So yeah, and now I'm going to try it again. Yeah, so on the screen background is like green, and I setting the screen background color, and then I had the turtle draw the square with the multi-side. Draw the square with the side has the multi-color, which are red, green, blue, and magenta.